In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Buffer for LinkedIn. So step 1, create and log into your Buffer account. So head to buffer.com and either sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. Then step 2, connect your LinkedIn profile or page. So go to channels in your Buffer dashboard or visit buffer.com/channels directly. Then click connect channel and pick LinkedIn. After that, log into the LinkedIn account you want to link and authorize Buffer to access your LinkedIn profile or page. And do note that for LinkedIn pages, you need to have super admin rights to connect successfully. Then step 3, understand LinkedIn integration features. So Buffer supports posting to both LinkedIn personal profiles and LinkedIn pages, and schedule posts with images, videos, GIFs, and PDFs. And tag LinkedIn pages by pasting the page URL or mention profiles by typing the @ symbol and selecting the profile. Then hashtags you add in Buffer become clickable hyperlinks once posted on LinkedIn. And paid Buffer plans let you schedule a first comment with your post. Then step 4, schedule your LinkedIn posts. So click create post or the plus button in Buffer, then select your connected LinkedIn profile or page as the posting destination, and compose your post. So add text, images, videos, documents, hashtags, and mentions. Optionally, schedule the post for a future date and time or publish immediately, and you can also schedule a first comment if you plan supports it. Then for step 5, monitor LinkedIn analytics and Buffer. So Buffer provides analytics for LinkedIn pages and soon for profiles to track engagement, reach, and performance. So use these insights to optimize your posting schedule and content strategy. And step 6, which is the best practices and tips. So post unique content across multiple LinkedIn profiles to avoid suspension, and use Buffer's drag and drop calendar to organize and visualize your content schedule, and utilize Buffer's AI assistant to generate post ideas and streamline content creation, and follow LinkedIn's posting guidelines to maximize engagement and avoid restrictions. And that is basically it.